Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Gold has moved a little lower since the last video that was so far in line with expectations. It doesn't look to me as if this entire correction is already over. Remember that we are watching here for a third wave to the upside in the metals market, gold especially, silver possibly, and there are some others. Platinum I covered a few days ago. But gold particularly could be in this third wave to the upside, might have bottomed here in October in a wave 2, and I'm looking for further evidence that this third wave is indeed unfolding and that the C wave to the upside is starting, because we are dealing with an A, B, C structure. Now, the idea is that we are currently still probably in this B wave. The support areas are fairly well defined. We have initial support between, well, at the moment, 1988 and 1894. That's really key support. Well, actually, it starts at 2027, down to 1894. Below 1894, I have to assume that this wave 2 just gets a reset. And then we were dealing likely with an A, B, C structure. Remember that corrections in the metals market, they can be extremely frustrating. It's just what this market does. Just look at this wave 2, which lasted from May 23 to October. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and let's try to explore this structure here. There are two scenarios I'm looking at. First of all, I'm looking at this wave 3 as an ABC structure because we're dealing with a larger ending diagonal in wave 5. Okay. And the idea now in this B wave, that's really what we're dealing with right now. What could it be? So first of all, I haven't really, the idea was we moved down in an A wave, rallied in a B wave, and we're now coming down in wave C. This is sort of the idea structure because we topped in this circle wave A, moved down, hit the 50% fib level, rallied in 3 waves into our resistance area, got rejected. But then the rejection isn't really impulsive. So what we don't have is a clear perspective that this C wave has started, which would be a 5-wave move. This move down was only in 3 waves. So while it's possible to count this as a 1-2 setup with a third wave now to the downside, it wouldn't be an impulse. It would likely only be an ending diagonal. And these are extremely difficult, can change, and it's not very clear. Could be a different structure because of that. If had this circle wave 1 been an impulse, situation would be clearer, but it's not. So we talk about alternatives now. But if wave C has indeed started, and if wave B topped here at 2097 pretty much, then take the length of this A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and then the 100% extension level would be one of the key levels there, key target for wave C. But consider the area between 1995 and 1932 specifically as a key target for wave C, because that's the 61.8 extension and 100% extension, plus the relevant standard support levels. We will be able to define that a little bit better as we get a little bit more price data. But what would be an alternative? I mean, it could of course be that the wave A has formed a low already. I mean, not the wave A. All of wave B formed a low already. But then this is only a 3-wave move up. So it's at the moment not what I can prefer in terms of the most likely scenario. Because with a 3-wave move up, it would suggest we head a little lower. What could be is that this B wave never finished. Okay, that we get a more extended B wave. How does that work? So it's entirely possible that what we've seen here as initial ABC structure was just wave A of B. We're now getting a corrective pullback ABC in wave B, rally in C, and then come down. Horrible price action, but I just highlight this because of one aspect that I see, which is that this move down is not impulsive. So it could simply be a corrective pullback A, B, C, which would then send the price higher. but because the first move up is also only in 3 waves, it makes it very likely that this is just a corrective pattern. So it's just something to be aware of. You know, this can't really be predicted. So first of all, I need a little bit more price action over the next few days to establish what's going on here. It doesn't really want to come down, I mean, which is good. You know, we overall want to get that C wave started. The only thing is that this move up initially here off the December lows, it was just a 3-wave move up. So I don't have that clear signal that the overall C wave here, circle wave 3, has started. So we have to be a little bit more patient. There is going to be some structural support around the $2,030 level. Pay attention to that. And I mean, yeah, let's see. Let's see. I mean, if this is an A, B, C, and we go a little higher, then check that. The price could still stretch a little lower, possibly to around 2055, maybe a little lower. But at around 2055, we have an important micro support level. That's just a quick update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You can find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.